Oftentimes I see attorneys burn cash by not setting up Google Ads the right way. So if you're located in Los Angeles, you don't want to run ads all over the US because chances are people would only prefer to talk to a law firm that can work with them in their immediate area. So I bring this up because I've seen ads from a Los Angeles firm show up in New York. I've seen a San Diego firm show up in San Francisco. So when people click on your ads and say New York, you're in Los Angeles, you're wasting money and time having to pick up the phone and realize you won't be able to help these people. So in order for you not to waste your money and not have your ads show up in different areas that you don't target, you need to type in your location wherever you want to target. Whatever cities you work in, you want to use their target zip codes and make sure it's all in the right place. The key trick is location options. Silly, but a lot of lawyers who happen to be running their own ads look past this. If you're a DOI attorney, we've seen accident-prone areas and hospitals as a common hotspot. It's one of the few things we've seen have incorporated into our methodology. Also, Google will sometimes provide automated recommendations and suggest a different location, but we want to select those areas that you service. Google's recommendations oftentimes are biased towards making you spend more money. Google knows what to do the best. It's their platform, but you got to understand Google is a business and their best interest is them, not you. So their goal as a company is to get advertisers, businesses, companies spend as much money as possible. Make the most out of your money. You don't want to bet on other people, so that's the way you want to go when you create these Google ads.